File. Abia State Governor, Alex Otti Abia State Government has employed 649 medical personnel under its 2025 health workers recruitment exercise. The Commissioner for Information, Prince Okey Kanu, disclosed this on Monday in Umuahia while briefing journalists on the outcome of the State Executive Council meeting presided over by Governor Alex Otti. Kanu said the recruitment was in line with the administration's commitment to strengthening the state's healthcare system and improving access to quality medical services for residents. He explained that the 649 health workers employed so far were part of the 771 medical personnel approved for recruitment, adding that the remaining positions would be filled soon. Out of this number, 432 are nurses who have been posted to primary healthcare centers across the state that are being equipped and made fully functional, he said. According to him, some of the newly recruited personnel had opportunities to work overseas but chose to serve in Abia due to confidence in the government's leadership and ongoing reforms in the health sector. Kanu also revealed that a neurosurgeon with a rare speciality had been employed as part of the recruitment exercise. Even after the shortfall is filled to bring the number to 771, the Ministry of Health is still open to employing more medical personnel, he added. The Commissioner further disclosed that, in line with the Governor's vision to improve citizens' welfare, the Ministry of Housing would soon flag off the construction of a Civil Service Commission pocket layout estate in Umuahia. He said the project was aimed at providing quality and affordable housing for Abia residents, noting that approval had been granted to ensure strict adherence to quality standards. Kanu added that the ministry was in advanced discussions with private developers under a public-private partnership arrangement for additional housing estates at Mbaisi and Mbarakuma Ubakala, Umuahia. On transportation, he said temporary charging stations had been installed to support the operation of electric buses providing free commercial transport services in the state, with plans to expand charging infrastructure as more stations arrive. He disclosed that a 2 MVA 33, 10.415 kV electricity distribution substation had been installed at the Umuahia Bus Terminal to ensure seamless operation of the electric buses. Kanu also announced that the Abia State Electricity Regulatory Authority would issue an order before the end of January to regularize electricity activities in the state, following the transfer of regulatory authority to the agency. He said the order would enhance consumer protection, service delivery, and quicker resolution of complaints. The Commissioner further revealed that the Umuahia Capital Development Authority would commence enforcement of directives on the removal of illegal attachments to buildings, warning landlords to comply or face sanctions. He added that illegal parking of commercial vehicles on streets in Umuahia had been prohibited, noting that defaulters risk having their vehicles impounded. Kanu also expressed concern over the poor maintenance of buildings in the state capital, urging landlords to carry out necessary renovations within 4 weeks to improve the city's aesthetics. Officials present at the briefing included the Commissioner for Housing, Architect Chimela Uzoji, the General Manager of UCDA, Kingsley Agamuo, the Special Advisor to the Governor on Media and Publicity, Ferdinand Ikioma, and the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Joku Okoha.